We're at Maquoketa Caves in Iowa, near the Iowa Knife Museum, and we're testing out various knives for their sounds. All right, we're heading up to the stairs that go up into this interesting shaped cave. And I have the Loki, the Kansept Loki with me. So let's see what it sounds like, if it sounds any different as we go into the cave. Cave noises. Arcane design crawler noises in a cave. CJRB frac sound in a cave. Maxace Neptune sounds in a cave. This here's my turtle hunting knife. What do we have here?
What do we have here? EDC knives and gear, modding titanium, voltage and torching some. Pry bar knives, 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 pry bar.
Kansept Eagle Strike. Look at that guy. It's beautiful. Have a nice day.
2, 1. I saw something fly up.